Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Adem. Like I do say, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much. It really means a lot to me. And I will always appreciate that. So now please, if you are watching this video now and you have not yet to subscribe, just kindly click on the subscribe button, please. So that whenever I drop a new video, you can get notified. So in today's video, I would like to teach us how to apply outline on image in Photoshop. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started. So I will double click on my Photoshop. So please, I want us to take note of this. It's very important. This is a beginner tutorial, so I just want us to take note. So like I did a video yesterday, so on how to create a new workspace in Photoshop. So I'll be applying those skills here, and also how to easily remove background. I've also did a video, so you can as well go back to my past video to search for it. So now the first thing I'll do here is I'll click on OK. I'll create a new document. So like I said, I have a saved document for flyers design, which is 10 by 10. So I love using 10 by 10 for flyers. You can as well use this by anyone you want, but for me, normal flyer design is 10 by 10, so take note of that. So now, and 10 by 10 is for inches, well, and 10 by 1080 by 1080 is for pixel. So now I'll click on my 10 by 10. So here I will choose, I just click on outline. Yeah, perfect. Everything is already set. So what I can just adjust here is the size, but I'm using 10 by 10, so I don't need to adjust it again. I'll click on create. Perfect. So this is it. Now the first thing I will have to do here is I will have to import my image, as I think I've made a video to that as well. So like importing image in Photoshop, we have various ways, but the thing is you have to work on what you love most. So now for me, now I like drag and drop method. So now I'll come down to my folder and drag the image I want to use. So mind you, everything is background, so my work is to remove the background, so everything will be removed. I think I've made the video about how to remove background, so now I will drop it here. Perfect. So I will drop the selection. Perfect. So also I want you to take note, like I said, that whenever you want to remove a background, take note of two things. It's either you rasterize or you unlock. Now this certain background, this certain image, we have to rasterize. The reason is that this image is not the normal background. So we add the background. So I'll click on my F7 to bring out the layer panel. So now, as you can see here, we have a background. So, and the image as well have its own background. So now we have to right click to rasterize the image first. You see that there is nothing like lock icon on that image. It is because we have a background already. I'll click on rasterize. Yeah, perfect. So after I click on that, so I'll come down to my selection. Please take note. I want to remove the background now, so and I will click on subject. So it will select the subject out of the background, you see. So the next thing I have to do here is to add the layer mask. So the layer mask will cover all those background and we review the object. So now I'll click on it, add layer mask. You see, that's the work of the layer mask, black layer mask as well. So now I think that's for that. So I'll click on my selection tools to drag it to my taste. So So I will drag it down. Yeah, perfect, awesome. But the thing is, I don't like using white background, although I love using white background. But for these, I would like to use something like dark color so that the outline can comes out good. So the next thing I have to do here is to click on the background and come down to my solid color, click on it to add a solid color. So now I want something dark, so almost dark. Yeah, I'm not okay. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, I'm okay with this. So the next thing I have to do is click on OK. Perfect. Now everything is set. So the next thing we have to do here is to add the outline or to apply the outline on the image. So I'll click on the image and come down to my FX, click on it, search where you can find stroke. This stroke. I'll click on it. You see? This happened because I've already set the stroke panel already. I've already set it. But now if you want to work on it, so you have to like edit some stuff. Like here, make sure that is your own. You can edit to your taste, but if you increase the size, so this is how it will be. You see that it's nothing, it's meaningless. So you have to reduce the size to fit the taste you want. So now I want something like around 8. Yeah, 8 is cool. So the next thing is the position. I have to select it outside. So if I should choose inside, everything will be selected. You see, it's not working. So that's not what you want. So but you should select outside. So it will just select the outside frame, so you can see. So that's it. And here as well, blend mode. Your blend mode should be always normal. So if you should choose anything, you see, it's not working perfect as you want. So right there, and just select normal. And take note of this as well. This color, it is because I have changed my own to white. That's the reason why the color is white. So you might find something different in your own, like maybe yellow, black, red, anything. So all you have to do is just to double click on the color and come down to your white if you want to apply white stroke. And if not, you can just as well select any color you want. So perfect. Click on OK. So now we are done with this. So I'll click on my OK button. Perfect. So I'll drop the selection. You see, it's very cool for us. So it shows out the image very well. So I think that's the work of the outline. So please, if you are watching this video now, just click on the subscribe button. It's very important. Please just click. And if you want to drop a comment, you can as well drop a comment. So drop a comment. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.